There are many reasons which help you decide which country you want to move to. Salary is definitely one of the key factors which play the vital role in choosing the country you want to move to. As you are looking forward to move to Germany, looking forward to move to Europe, you must be able to afford European lifestyle. So in the beginning itself, you must look forward to decent salary so that you are able to settle in with your family in the beginning itself. As this factor is really important for you to decide which country you want to move to. So I'm going to share some of the highest paying cities in Europe which you can consider with their salaries if you're coming from software engineering background, if you're coming from software development background. So stick around and watch the video to gain maximum information. Hi guys, this is Sandeep Khera and you're watching Conical Education. Before we proceed further, let me remind you to subscribe below and enable the bell notifications to not miss any updates on this channel. You can also follow me on my social media pages. Links for all of them are given in the description below. Let's dive into today's video. First of all, let me tell you that I'm going to share average salaries, which means highest paid salary or lowest paid salary might vary a lot. Additionally, I'm going to share the salary for experience ranging between 3 to 5 years. So, if you carry the experience more than that, definitely if you carry the skills, you prove to the employer you are bringing a lot of value, you can demand for higher amount of salary accordingly. First city I want to speak about is Zurich. Zurich is one of the most expensive cities as well as largest cities in Switzerland. A lot of English jobs are available here. It is the financial hub of Switzerland and also becoming tech hub of Switzerland. Many startups here are focusing on fintech, crypto and blockchain technologies. Big giants such as Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Google and Amazon are located here. Average salary as a software engineer, as a software developer, you can get here is 115,700 Swiss franc, which is more than 106,600 euros annually. It is definitely a great salary to lead a great lifestyle and save money. Second city I want to speak about is Copenhagen. It is the capital city of Denmark and one of the largest city of Denmark. Denmark is one of the most expensive countries in the world. Hence, it offers you a great lifestyle as well. It is having well-established social system, healthcare, and offering free education to the kids. Copenhagen is home to the biggest startup tech summit, Tech Barbecue. A lot of startups are born here and flourishing here. Average salary you can get in this city as a software engineer, as a software developer is 631,800 Danish krone, which is more than 84,900 euros annually. You will definitely do well with this much amount of salary in this city. Before I proceed further, let me tell you that you can also download your free best practices resume guide from this link here, which will help you to craft a converting CV, to get more interview calls, and to strengthen your admission process. I also provide support services to move to Germany, to move to Europe, such as job search coaching service, job search visa support. Also, you can contact me for getting admission into bachelor's or master's. You can write to me at the below given email address or drop me a message at my website. Now let's proceed further into the video. Third highest paying city is Munich. It is the economic heart of Germany. Bavarian capital has the highest purchasing power in Germany. PHP, Java, Python, C++, Ruby, Node.js, and C# are favorite among the developers and the companies here. City is located close to Italian as well as Austrian borders. So it makes it more interesting for the people who are enthusiastic about traveling. After settling here, you are definitely going to have a lot of fun here because of many reasons such as proximity to mountains, international work culture, and Bavarian traditional beer gardens. Average salary you can get in this city as a software engineer, as a software developer is 71,800 euros annually. Fourth highest paying city is Oslo. It is the capital city and most populous city of Norway. As parts of the country are located on the Arctic Circle, so you will definitely experience midnight sun for the few days in parts of the country during summer season. It is like midnight twilight, which is totally amazing. Country has a startup funding program, so a lot of good jobs are available here. If you are someone who loves to work in a company for environment friendly products, then this is the place to go for you. Average salary you can get in this city is 737,500 Norwegian kroner, which is roughly around 70,000 euros annually. You can lead a great lifestyle here, including social and welfare system. Country is ranked among the top happiest countries in the world. Fifth highest paying city is Luxembourg City. It is landlocked by Belgium, France, and Germany. Country is the prominent financial center of the Europe, and it is going to be the biggest beneficiary of Brexit because a lot of companies are considering to move their offices here. This country is the biggest startup investor in the Europe. Lot of venture capital firms are located here. It is also called as VC capital of the Europe. It has strong presence in finance, banking, and investment sectors. You can get 4.5 weeks of vacation days here. Luxembourg became the first country in the world to offer you free public transport across the country. Average salary you can get in the city as a software engineer, as a software developer is 68,400 euros, which is a great amount of salary to start your international journey. Sixth highest paying city is Amsterdam. It is the tech hub of Netherlands, offering a great ecosystem for startups across Europe. A third of country's startups are located here. Companies are focusing into the domains such as life sciences and health, fintech, enterprise software, tourism, and travel. Big US giants such as Netflix, Uber, and Tesla have their European headquarters located in the city. Quality of life here is among the top countries in the Europe. Average salary you can get here as a software engineer, as a software developer is 65,000 euros a year, plus some great perks. These are just few cities I have talked about. There are many more. You can just Google about them and find that list. You can plan to focus on those cities for your job search to move to Europe fast. This is all I have in today's video. You can give a thumbs up or comment below, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.